Fear controls so many older women. Fear of judgment, fear of being too much or not enough, fear of aging visibly, fear of irrelevance, fear of trying and failing. These fears keep women small, hidden, and half alive. Fashion is dissolving these fears in the most unexpected way. Women over 50 are discovering that updating their style removes barriers they didn't even know they could cross. Let me show you how fashion is creating this fear to freedom transformation. The fear starts early and accumulates. As a young woman, you fear not being attractive enough. As a mother, you fear not being good enough. As a worker, you fear not being competent enough. Each decade adds more fear. By 50, you're carrying 40 years of accumulated anxiety. These fears have become so familiar they feel like truth. Fashion confronts these fears directly and practically. When a woman decides to update her style after years of hiding, she's facing fear. Fear of spending money on herself, fear of drawing attention, fear of looking foolish, fear of judgment. Every step of fashion transformation requires confronting fear. The remarkable discovery is that these fears dissolve when faced. A woman buys an expensive coat she loves, terrified her husband will criticize. He doesn't. The fear was imaginary. She wears a bright color, afraid people will stare. They compliment her instead. The fear was unfounded. She tries a new style, worried she'll look ridiculous. She looks great. The fear was lying. I'm watching women have fear-dissolving experiences through fashion. One woman was terrified to go shopping because she feared being judged by salespeople. She finally went, expecting humiliation. The staff was helpful and kind. The fear disappeared. Another woman was afraid to wear anything but black because she thought color would make her look attention-seeking. She finally tried burgundy. People loved it. The fear dissolved. Each dissolved fear expands possibility. The woman who stopped fearing fashion spending starts spending on travel she's always wanted. The woman who stopped fearing attention starts speaking up in meetings. The woman who stopped fearing judgment starts pursuing dreams. Fashion dissolves specific fears, but the courage transfers to everything. The mechanism is exposure therapy without formal therapy. Fashion forces you to face fears repeatedly. Every shopping trip, every new outfit, every time you leave the house dressed well. Each exposure teaches you the fear was exaggerated. Eventually, the fear loses power completely. The judgment fear dissolves most commonly. Women over 50 carry massive fear of others' judgment. Fashion forces facing this fear. You dress differently, certain people will criticize. Some do. Most don't. You discover most people don't care, and the ones who criticize don't matter. The judgment fear weakens, then disappears. The visibility fear dissolves transformatively. Many women hide because being visible feels dangerous. Fashion makes you visible. You expect negative consequences. They rarely come. You discover being visible is actually powerful and safe. The fear transforms to confidence. The aging fear shifts fundamentally. Women fear showing their age. Fashion teaches you can age visibly and still look stunning. You stop trying to look 30. You discover looking 60 and stylish is its own beauty. The aging fear becomes aging acceptance. The inadequacy fear weakens dramatically. Women carry deep fear of not being enough. Fashion provides tangible evidence you're enough. You put together good outfits, you receive compliments, you feel confident. The evidence contradicts the fear. The fear loses credibility. The failure fear dissolves through practice. Trying new styles means some won't work. At first, this feels like failure. Eventually, you realize it's just information. Not every style suits everyone. That's normal, not failure. The fear transforms to curiosity. The comparison fear weakens naturally. Fashion initially triggers comparison to other women, but as your style develops, comparison becomes irrelevant. You're expressing yourself, not competing. The fear becomes unnecessary and fades. The financial fear often dissolves. Many women fear spending on themselves. Fashion forces facing this fear. You invest in quality pieces. The world doesn't end. You realize you deserve investment. The fear transforms to healthy self-value. The change fear loosens significantly. Fashion requires change, new styles, different looks, evolving preferences. Each change teaches you that change is possible and positive. The general fear of change weakens. The body fear transforms most profoundly. Women fear their changing bodies. Fashion forces dressing your actual body. You discover your body at any size and shape can be dressed beautifully. The fear becomes acceptance, then appreciation. The relationship fear decreases substantially. Many women fear partner reaction to changes. Fashion brings changes. Partners usually respond positively or neutrally. You learn you can change without relationship catastrophe. The fear dissolves. The social fear reduces dramatically. Fashion gives you courage to be more social. Each positive social experience reduces fear. Eventually, social situations become opportunities, not threats. The fear transforms to anticipation. The regret fear about past dissolves. Women fear they wasted years. Fashion teaches it's never too late. You can start now. This present-focused mindset releases regret fear about past. The future fear shifts to possibility. Fashion confidence creates future excitement. Instead of fearing aging ahead, you anticipate continued growth. The fear becomes curious anticipation. The existential fear even touches this. Fashion engagement is life engagement. It proves you're still growing and changing. This dissolves the existential fear that life is over. You're proving through action that you're still very much alive. The compound effect is remarkable. Each dissolved fear increases courage for next challenge. Fashion courage enables career courage. Career courage enables relationship courage. Relationship courage enables life courage. The fears that controlled you become distant memories. This fear to freedom journey is profoundly changing older women's lives. They're not just looking better, they're feeling freer, less controlled by fear, more controlled by courage. Fashion started this journey, but the freedom extends everywhere. Oh,